He's letting all the other squirrels know there's food. He's like, come on, guys. We got peanuts. Yeah, I'd probably just be giving them the whole bag. I like it. That's what are they? Are they using? Are they the ones using the binoculars too? I think they're the ones that hid my stuff on me yesterday.
But Army discipline will soon straighten him out. I'm sure.
All right, let's see.
The mounted review still scheduled for tomorrow.
Thursday papers are always the best paper.
I've already posted the orders. Good.
This is what we do. I'm surprised there's no Blue Jays. Are they the only ones that went south? Oh, look at all those ducks. Oh, that's all the Blue Jays. That's a squirrel. He's mad that I'm out here because he wants to come over. All right, let's move. The ducks are talking. Where are you? Good morning, squirrel. What? Why are you shaking your legs like that? I know you want some nuts. I'll move in a minute. I just want to film everybody. Oh, y'all, greedy asses. What are you doing with all them peanuts? Well, at least you guys are sharing with each other. And they're communicating. That's how I know every day when Dad Papa Berry is up. When you hear all the squirrels running around, running through. I'm looking for him. Where did you go? I'm gonna find you. We play hide and seek. Alright, good. What's gonna happen when I take all the peanuts off here? Off the table. You little brat. You heard that clunk? That fat fuck. Look at him. Yeah, I'm talking about you. He's a fat little thing. What happened to his tail? It's funny because it's glass and sometimes they try to go up on the top, through the top, on the bottom. Through the bottom, they try to get up there and they hit their head. It's not funny, but it's funny. It's harmless. They don't hurt themselves. They make a mess anyway. Here comes another one. Why'd that one go away? Where's he going? He must be on the lookout. Not for you, kid. It's for the birds.